There's so much talent, and we're finding the time to give them the spotlight. Richie introduces Chainjah, the next big thing.
Intense on the search for the next big thing. And right now, with our Central Village for the one, Chainjah.
Thankful, me thankful for life. Thankful, me thankful for life. Thankful, me thankful.
Once when everybody turn the back on it, music never leave. Right now, I have the one, Chainjah. Chainjah, what going on, fam?
Wow, man, big up, man. We don't know anything go with there live and do it, though.
Yeah, Chainjah. So, Chainjah, what I go and talk to now, fam? Yo, your musical journey, career, how you start off, fam?
You know, say, start off from a tender age, very small when we're there and we are pre every pain we feel and everything. Like, even when my mother beat me, brother, and from I go and put in headphone, any little music, them time they are CD player. You see me, we never have phone where, you see me, I say, we just grab a CD player and we just listen and say, alright, man, maybe we are sorry, but same thing. You get in a fight at school, same thing. If you ever get beat up, so that's how we bring we to a level where we just know, say, yo, music calm we. Music have emotions.
So it's like a therapy.
Yeah, so you know you can cry out your pain in them type of music. There's it. First song I ever recorded, one song named In These Times, 2009. House of Fix record, Spanish Town. From there, so we are doing music and I do things right way and just know, so you watch her. And music full career there now.
How has it been for you?
Well, the journey rough, you know, brother. Can't tell you say easy, you know, because you have a whole heap of people in your ears that say, yo, music and everything, try something else. Try farming, try this, try sell bag juice, you see me I say? So, all of them things there just help me, push me far, you see me I say, and just know, say, yo, yeah, brother.
You believe in that stunt thing, like, you have created a name for yourself,
Alright,
negative?
Here I go. It's the negativity that I really we kind of living in right now.
Yeah.
So people rather use certain things to grab your attention. You see what I say? As an entertainer, you have to know what you are choose.
So who have you worked with over the course of your career, you know, like record label, signing label?
No respect to Yard Boy, see them because them give we biggest part of our career right now. Yeah. Them have we under them, we see them we as a Kobani Music, Yard Boys record, BBMG, see them we. Them man they give we strength and show, say yo, you have to go a road. So then we are work with.
From you see me in the streets, dog, never left it. Me love me 3 pints, so me have to try and protect it.
Any collaboration out there, you know, where upcoming or you have already?
No, you know, me not do no collaboration right now because me have focus on myself mainly. But watch out, you have to have a name out there. If we do them come give a collaboration, the man say Chainjah, you not establish it. Not know about him. Them harder to give you a collab, them way there.
So speaking of big artists now, if you could get one collaboration right now, what do you think it from?
I don't know.
JOP.
Straight, Fort Jenna. From I got school from 2007. Just straight I don't know. We listen to other artists, you know. I respect every other artist. Respect Vibes Cartel, same way. Respect Bounty Killer, Beanie Man. For them genre music kind of older than when me grew up. Me grew up in a Vibes Cartel. I don't know them time there. When we start taking music serious, I would just pray for them things. You see me? I rate genocide to see them way. Because I used to fight hard in our music. And them youth remind me of me, because all heap of fighting get before him have a name. My music, you see me put out a music, me I talk about life. Me I talk about things you want to change. Me I talk about the energy, the circle around, you see me?
When you're talking right now about the song we actually put out there and the man around.
We sing about things around with, and it makes sense.
Yo, the one I touch you from.
Yeah, man.
Straight from here. So for the people who never your partner, a piece of the partner.
From you see me in the streets, dog, me never left it. Me nah push crime, but me life me a protect it. Them left me paranoid and me never to regret it. Me yard full of rage, so you know me quick fit. From you see me in the streets, dog, never left it. Me love me 3 pints, so me a try protect it. Them left me paranoid and me never to regret it. Me yard full of rage, so you know me quick for press it.
What you feel like your next big in dancehall right now?
Right now, me is a work ethic youth, you know. I'm determined. So you see, with all of them energy there, when me a pull on them things, I tell myself, say, me a go do. You see, if we know, be next big thing in a dancehall with them on a level, the greatest thing I can sit down to myself and say, you try.
Chainjah, lastly, why Chainjah music intense?
All of my music, then people can listen and surround themselves and I say, you know, say, at least one of song them I can tell myself, say, you know, say, me did in another position there. So Chainjah is all about chasing my dreams. You see me? That's what I think. Me determined.
See there? One Chainjah, man the plan, man the dream. Chainjah respect enough for me.
Thanks, Richie. Looking forward to the next big thing.